In a small, cozy house, there lives a big, happy family. The grandfather, Mr. Ali, loves to read books every morning. The grandmother, Mrs. Fatima, likes to cook delicious meals for everyone. The father, Mr. Omar, works in a shop. He sells fruits and vegetables. The mother, Mrs. Sarah, is a housewife. She does housework and care of the children. There are two children in the family. The son, Ahmed, is a young boy who loves to play football. His sister, Layla, likes to listen to music and draw pictures. Ahmed and Layla also have a lovely aunt. Her name is Amina. Amina is a teacher, and Kareem works in an office. The family lives together happily. Every evening, they sit in the living room. They talk, laugh, and share stories. Sometimes they watch TV or play games together. The family loves to be together and enjoy every moment of their lives.